Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open the Photos app and find the image you want to edit on iOS 16. Tap to open the photo full screen and let the picture load fully. Press and hold directly on the subject until you feel a slight haptic or see a highlight. Release and a contextual menu appears with options like Copy and Share. Tap Copy to store the lifted subject on the clipboard. You have now isolated the subject with a transparent background for pasting. Navigate to the app where you want the lifted photo to appear after copying. Open a new message, note, mail draft, or image canvas in a compatible app. Tap and hold in the text field or image layer until the contextual menu appears. Choose Paste to drop the lifted subject into your document or photo project. If the receiving app supports transparency, the subject will keep its background removed. If not, the subject will paste onto a solid back. If lifting does not work on a photo, first confirm your iPhone runs iOS 16 and later. Restart the Photos app and try again to clear temporary glitches. Choose images with clear edges and high contrast for best subject separation results. If an app will not accept a pasted image, use Share then Save to Files or Photos and import the image manually. Remember, some third-party apps do not preserve transparency when pasting images directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.